Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the all-new 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor. I've been waiting for this moment ever since I drove the last Raptor, hearing that they were making a new one. Oh, and I can't get enough of this truck. It is phenomenal. This one's the Raptor Super Crew 3.5 liter EcoBoost high output antimatter blue over black 69,075. Whew. Sorry for the wind, it's getting a little stormy. Oh man. The things I would do to own this truck. And I promise you, I'll make this video go live tomorrow. It will be sold by then. Seriously? We're playing. Oh. There. Ah. All right. Inside the new Raptor. There's your workbench. Tons of different drive modes here. All right, we got slippery, tow haul, sport, normal, deep snow and sand, Baja, and rock crawl. All right, and then what I really like is you can go through steering, normal, comfort, sport. Looks like you do have an off-road setting, but off-road for the dampers, we'll do sport. For the exhaust, quiet, normal, sport, and Baja. Baja is really loud. So we'll do sport and then we'll bump it up to Baja. Your cameras, trail control, nice. This thing is gorgeous. But enough talking. Let's take this thing out on the road. Where's that dip? There it is. It's an off-road truck. It's meant to do stuff like this. Here's the best part. This speed bump, this is in sport. I'll do that again in off-road damper. Oh, it's almost like the bump's not even there. It is crazy good. One thing is, I don't think I'll be able to put any power down. Oh man, I love this truck. Let's see here. This is in the sportiest setting, so the stiffest suspension setting. That's impressive. Now, here's what I'll do. I'll go stay in sport mode, but I'll go off-road dampers, manual, an exhaust in Baja. Okay, I know. You're not supposed to use it on the road because it's illegal. So it's so loud, it's actually technically illegal. Even without opening, oh, why don't I do that? I'll open up that rear glass. Oh, I love this truck. This is a truck, man. All right, so now we're in full off-road damper. Same speed. It's still stiff, but it's not bad. Oh, do you guys hear that? This sounds way different from the previous gen. Way different. I am in love with this truck. Oh. Oh, what a truck, guys. What a truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.